right, so update on the Maserati, man. I'm getting there, almost there. The lights and all that and the headliner, so the starry headlights, they're all done. I'll take you in there a little bit later. I'll take you in there a little bit later and I'll actually show you the headliner, what I like, what I don't like, what I would do differently, and same thing with the sunroof slider, right? So I'll show you that. That works. Stereo's all pretty much done, so I'll show you that. And then the other thing I did is one of the things I really didn't like on the Maserati was how it had like just cheesy plastic badges, right? So I went ahead and I basically just did the badge here, but I airbrushed it, right? So I airbrushed that on. I also did the one on the trunk, which you can see it in here when you come there, but I airbrushed that on as well. And here's pretty much the stereo setup. Everything's almost done. I still have some like tape I have to take off the wires, and I have to snip a couple zip ties and put the bottom of the trunk together or whatever, but that's basically it there. And then for the stereo, for the tweeters, I did go ahead and put the tweeters in the door. The reason I put the tweeters in the door was the front, the pillar definitely wasn't going to work. It's just a nasty angle, and I didn't want to have to custom fiberglass a whole pod. So we put them in the back here. The reason I put them on the back here is because they suck, but the stock ones did have some tweeters, which were right here, and trying to go through the plastic would mess it up, but I think it looked out pretty good. Same thing with the ones in the front. We just put them up in the front there, and all that's pretty much done. Only thing left is I got a set of rims and tires that I'm going to throw on here in a little bit. And then I'm going through and I'm polishing, and Creo forgot to wipe off polish right here. So, no, it's right here, you missed it. So I'm polishing up the car, and then once I get the polish done, then I'll go ahead and put the rims and tires on, just because I don't want to have to clean polish off of rims and tires. So